Hello everybody, my name is Sat Patel. I am currently pursuing Electronics and Communications from NIT Surat. I came to know about this wonderful event RPL 2019 from one of my friends. This event was basically meant to inculcate the technical aspects of basic engineering in rural students. I joined this program on 7th of May 2019. Initially, we distributed free kits worth almost 3,000 to over 60 villages. Those villages were in or around Eder. We roamed almost all days distributing kits, providing small workshops to how to build those robots, inculcating new team members, providing them coaches from their villages. It was a very wonderful experience. I got to know a lot more about people here. People here are very much skillful. They do not know the actual technical aspects, but they do know how machines work. And according to engineers, that's what makes them a good technical person. The 60 villages were carefully zoned out into 6 zones, and those zones were invited to fight for the championship finals. Those 3 days of amazing memories would stay in my heart forever. The people here are so creative that you cannot imagine. Being in one of the premier engineering colleges of India, I can tell that if these guys just have little more push, they will go beyond measure. We as engineering students cannot think of some concepts these little kids inculcated in their robots. The 3 days of zonal events were wonderful. They were provided 3 challenges. 2 of them were technical and 1 of them was non-technical, to test their managerial and creative minds. Those 3 events, the net sum of the total marks of those 3 events were used to identify the zonal winners, and all those zonal winners were invited for a final championship. But before the final championship, they were given another small kit to modify their robot to an extent. They were given a problem statement which stated that they had to pick up a box, lift it and place it somewhere else. They had to make a bat out of the robot which can play cricket. They had to make a robot which can fight with another robot with any kind of mechanism. And most importantly, according to today's trend, they were also invited to pitch their robots. Yes, you have heard it correctly. Little kids were pitching their ideas about their robots. If these guys get this confidence at such an age, India would never leave behind on the world map. And the final championships was such an amazing experience. The excitement of students, the participation of their parents and their friends, the huge amount of rush, excitement, and the competitions were so amazingly crafted that even us organizers were dumbfounded that students are so skillful here, and I just got a little jealous that I never had such a platform when I was young as these kids have gotten. And I would like to invite all engineering students to come visit and if possible help these kids, mentor them, guide them, and whenever RPL 2020 takes place, please come and help us. Thank you.